Okay, today we're going to be unboxing this Minted, that's the brand right here, Super 3D pen. And I got this as a gift for Christmas from my Secret Santa, Shannon. Thanks, Shannon! Anyways, today I'm going to unbox this bad boy, and I don't think we will be able to test it out. So stay tuned for part 2 of the video, but we'll see. Who knows? Anyways, like I said, this is by the brand Minted, M-Y-N-T 3D. Very clever name for a 3D pen. Let's open this. Let's just take a quick look around the box. Okay, it says 3D pen, Super 3D pen. And yep, barcode. Alright, nothing too interesting. If you see this tape on my hand, it's because I have a burn there from the curling iron, and I decided to cover it up so you don't barf. Okay, so first thing we do when we open the box, we're going to open this together because I myself have not even checked this out. I just got this in the mail today, so I'm super excited. This is the user manual, and that's pretty cool. She'll put that to the side, and this says stop. Okay, so this says to contact them or read their tutorials before trying to return the product. That's a bit concerning because that means there must be a lot of issues or problems, but we'll see. This is what the inside of the box looks like. Very nice. Looks like this is the power bank. Plug it in. This looks like the wire. Now, what's this? Oh, this is just like a metal tip. I am assuming to clean out the nozzle, but I'm not sure. We'll put that to the side. Here is the cord that goes into the power bank, which we can just do right here. Just put that together. What else do we have in here? We have the pen itself. Just take this thing out. Oops! Oops! Oh no! Drop it on the floor. Let's try that again. Here's the pen. I dropped it on the floor. It slipped out of my fingers as I was trying to take it out of the packaging. But that's my fault. I'm always clumsy. Okay, let's just inspect this really quick. Looks like a nozzle. There's vents on the side. There is I'm assuming a speed button for slow to fast. This here has a button also. I believe this is to extrude. And this is something, I don't know. Are these buttons even? This one doesn't push. Does it push? Don't know. Oh no, those are not buttons, I guess. These are buttons. There we go. This is probably go forward and backwards to extrude the filament. And there is no LCD screen for temperature control. So I'm assuming there's only one temperature. Though what is this for? I don't know. Okay, this hole here is where you would put the filament. And it would come out here. Okay. But where do I plug in the pen? We'll figure that out later. Let's just take a look at what else is in the box. Okay, side note. I found where you plug in the pen. So it's right here in the back where the filament goes. Which is strange, because you would have the cord and the filament in at the same time. I guess the filament goes in here. I don't know. Have to see where would it put the filament. Guess it still slides in here. Let's take a closer look, shall we? Let's see. this will focus, that would be great. And it looks like there's 2 separate slots. So I plug this in to here. Is there still room? Oh, okay. So the filament would go in here. It's a very small hole. There we go. So the filament goes in here and the plug goes right here. Interesting. Alright, just wanted to share that with you. Lift up this plastic here. And it comes, nothing else in here. It comes with some, it comes with ABS filament, which I will not be using because I heard it has toxic fumes. So I did I requested in my Secret Santa to have PLA filament, which is supposed to be healthier and non-toxic. So I have some of that to test out with it. But yeah, that's it for this unboxing of the minted 3D pen. Stay tuned for the next video or part 2 of testing this bad boy out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.